Hey food lovers, let's make coconut rice. We're starting with some coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and pour in my washed rice. This is 3 cups of rice. I'm going to mix that, stir fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's toasted and crispy and nice. So once that is all toasted and crispy, I'm going to go ahead and add in my minced chopped onions. I used 1 medium onion, and then I'm going to add my paprika peppers. You can use chili peppers if you'd like. I didn't use chili peppers because I would be using Cameroon pepper, which is already hot. Now, after mixing this and stir frying it with the rice for about 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add in my spices. I'm starting with salt, and then I'll mix that in. I basically mix in after every spice so that I keep stir frying the rice. That's my Cameroon pepper. Now I'm going to mix it in as well, and then I'm going to add my seasoning cubes, mix this in until everything the flavor gets into the rice. And then I'm going to add my curry powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of ground crayfish. If you don't have crayfish, you can use any fish seasoning that you have. You're going to stir fry this for like 2 minutes, let all the flavors get in, then add in your coconut milk. Now after adding coconut milk, you mix. You have to allow all these flavors enter this rice. Then you add in your water. Now I used about 1 cup of water, and then that should be enough to cook the rice, seeing as I already used about 400 ml of coconut milk. If you don't have enough, you can put some meat stock or anything like that, but I chose to make this food without any meat at all. So when the rice is like 80% done, I'm going to add a little bit of water now, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my grilled mackerel fish. You can use any other fish of your choice, salmon, you can use shrimps, anything you would like, but I chose to use this because I had the grilled mackerel and I like the flavor. I'm going to mix this and then cover it to like simmer for about 3 minutes because the mackerel fish is already cooked. I just want it to soak in the flavor and let the flavor get into the rice. After that, food is ready, oh my dears. Serve and enjoy this rice. I mean, just look at how yummy it is. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you give this recipe a try. Kindly like and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Bye.